G'day world, Chris Hogan coming to you for AutoGuru here at Australian Mechanical in Ogre, and I'm here with Matt, the owner. How are you, Matt?
I'm very good, Chris. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, mate. Thanks for having us. Matt, you've been with AutoGuru since 2015. You've had 203 reviews and an average rating of 4.8 stars. What's your secret?
Chris, I'd have to put it down to good old-fashioned service. We've got a great team here.
But you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy hurt you.
And I employ a customer service manager by the name of Nicole. You need to come and meet her.
Let's go meet her.
Cool. This is Nicole.
So you're Director of First Impressions here at Australian Mechanical. What can I expect when I see your lovely face?
You'll always get a friendly smile, great customer service, a welcoming environment when you walk in here.
Fantastic. So Matt, what kind of vehicles do you work on here?
So we work on all types of vehicles, Chris. So we can work on brand new vehicles and maintain the manufacturer warranty. We have all the latest equipment to be able to work on all types of vehicles, whether they be Japanese, European. There's really no limitations. We can do everything under one roof.
Fantastic. So if you need a mechanic to service your vehicle, new or old, and maintain your new car warranty, just book
Australian Mechanical and Nogra.
Too easy. Who's the guru? You're the guru.
For more information about car servicing and repairs, visit autoguru.com.au.